I've worked with tons of artists since I started producing music over 20 years ago, and some became stars while others faded. In this video, I'll talk about 4 qualities that musicians need for success. And you'll want to stick around for the last one because it's actually a quality that I need a bit more of, and I've been trying extra hard to cultivate it. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you still haven't. Let's go. First quality is curiosity. Music is a massive, loaded concept, and there's always something new to learn about in the industry, artistry, and in production. Curiosity lets you ask the big questions about music, and it's also what drives you to look for answers to those questions, whether that's new production techniques, learning how to perform better, and so on. You've got to be open to learning about new stuff. It's what keeps you sharp. Second is patience. The most successful artists, Metallica, U2, Kanye West, Bruce Springsteen, they take the long view and do good things really well over an extended period of time. You can be an overnight sensation if you've got a viral hit, which is awesome, but successful careers are made over the long haul. So think about the next 5, 10, or 25 years of your career. If you feel like you're not making any progress, just keep at it and zoom out to give yourself a better perspective. The third quality is honesty. If you're true to who you are as an artist, you'll never have to put effort towards being someone you're not. Social media is rife with folks like that, so not only are you swimming in the same pool as everyone else, you're also decreasing your chances of making a splash. Everyone's different, so find out what makes your voice unique and double down on that. The fourth and final quality is openness. If you think you know everything, you're wrong. Being a closed loop in an ever-evolving, fast-paced industry imposes a significantly shorter shelf life on your career. So make an effort to try to be open to new ideas, like a shift in styles, new ways of working, such as using new tools and new techniques, and even new ways of thinking as an artist. This is what keeps you relevant and what keeps you in the game for longer. At the same time, don't just absorb everything that comes your way. Discernment comes with experience, and you'll get better at adapting things that help you rather than hinder. The music industry is a game of inches. Big, career-changing breaks are rare. More common are small wins that move the needle forwards despite setbacks and the occasional heartbreak. If you're new to music and you feel stuck, or maybe you've been doing this for a while now but your career has stalled, don't get discouraged. Acknowledge and celebrate those small wins, keep refining your artistic vision, and just trust the process. This is something that literally almost everyone goes through. So I hope this little video helps. Please hit the thumbs up button and hit subscribe as well if you still haven't. Now go ahead and read the full article in the link below this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.